Brunei is one of the most least liked and most strict country in Southeast Asia. But I went there to see it with my own eyes. I wanted to experience Brunei and see where all those rumors were about. And what I saw in Brunei was quite the opposite. Today, I am vlogging my way through Brunei. We have a river cruise that a random guy at the mosque sold me. I'm gonna show you the real Brunei, so thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. And then we start the vlog. Let's go. Right, good. We're back at the mosque because we are gonna meet our friend now that we just made. And we're gonna do the tour, the boat tour through this village, floating village, something like that, for 20 Brunei money. And that would literally be all my money. Oh wait, shit, it's in my car. I left the coins in my car. All right, got it. Let's see where he is. I think he's still sitting there on his chair. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, maybe he's there. Yeah, I think he's there. Hello, hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi, guys. Hello, my guy. How are you?
This one is
Hello.
Want to join?
Yes.
From Malaysia, From
No, Holland.
Holland, yeah.
Yes.
Holland, yeah.
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yes. Good.
Yes.
I'm in time. That's good. All right.
So if not, searching the monkey. Take 1 hour 30 minutes, and then he said my driver said he saw 3 crocodiles, the big one, and then the monkey. Then after that, he crossed the houses there.
Yeah, they say don't touch the water because of the crocodiles. Is that true?
For here it's okay, but don't try to put your hand.
Yeah.
I went along the
Just
mangrove.
don't touch the water.
Because the water is salty, you know.
Yes. Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, salty water,
Yeah.
seawater crocodiles.
Yeah, crocodile also.
Interesting.
Oh. You join us.
Yeah, I joined.
Good.
Holland, Belanda, Belgium, Indonesia, yeah?
Nice.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
So we are going with a family and us too, Anna, from Belgium.
From Belgium, Holland, and Indonesia. Come, don't worry.
All right.
We're in balance.
Okay, now we're in balance.
Yeah.
I'm just 60 kilos.
Yeah.
But makes a difference.
Small one.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy. Now our boat tour takes 1 hour. I'm shy. Okay, before this area built is called Eco Park. Approximately 20,000 people.
Ooh. Yeah. In one water village.
Yeah, it's water village.
Crazy.
So this water is salty. Now I'm not confident. You can see the crocodile just because the water is high.
It's moving a lot also. Yeah.
Okay. Every houses here got their own jetty.
Oh my god, I'm getting wet. Okay, we're speeding up the boat. So apparently this is the biggest water village in the world. 20,000 people. And the government is supporting the water village because all the houses have floating water and air conditioning. So that's really good. Ooh, this is nice.
This majestic got what do you call it? The palace. Yeah.
Sorry.
Palace, This is the old palace,
Okay, we're slowing down a little bit because we're searching for that monkey with the dick nose. I keep forgetting the name. What is the name?
Proboscis.
Proboscis, yeah. That's it. I haven't seen any of those yet, and I'm already a week in Borneo, so I hope we're lucky today and we're gonna see it. Everyone is looking at this side. I don't see him. Alright, so there are a
we
couple of
enjoy
boats.
until sunset.
So I hope
still
we're
time.
lucky.
I give you extra, no worry.
I hope we're lucky because all the boats are there, waiting, looking at something. So it's probably the monkeys. Oh my god. Let's see. Or is a crocodile? Could also be cool.
Doon bukan ya
But let's see. Different monkey.
Okay, for your information,
Yeah.
if this monkey here, the ordinary one, we will be fight, you know. The proboscis monkey run away.
Well, apparently these monkeys are very aggressive, and they fight with the the dick monkeys. Yeah, proboscis monkeys. So the proboscis monkeys, they run away for these monkeys, and they mainly eat bananas.
Monkey, the gray one.
But yeah, now we see them, so the proboscis monkeys are not here.
Sit down there.
Are you gonna have yellow cooking?
Yeah.
Yellow water.
Yeah. Oh, that one very close. Classroom there.
This is insane.
Yeah,
I'm getting wet.
yeah.
We're now in a floating village, and we saw some houses that actually fell in the water, and there's still people living here. 1980 or something, he said. 19 something. It's built, and it's all on wood, you know. So once there was a big fire, and a lot of houses sunk. So it's very special to see, and that actually people are not scared to live here. You know, in Holland or Spain or in Europe, it would say this is too dangerous to live, you know, but it's still, people do it, it's people's homes, you know. It's beautiful, the sunset is amazing, and we saw the monkeys, I'm so happy. I saw the dick on their nose, insane, incredible. Wow. I didn't expect to be doing this today, honestly, but yeah, here we are. Oh wow, look at the sunset.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is a school? No, this is house.
Oh,
You see the concrete almost falling down.
Oh, it's very old, yeah.
Yeah, very old already.
Look at
This is the
the
house where it's all
Oh, you don't see
collapsed
right now.
already. Collapsed.
What? Oh, yeah, it collapsed.
It's collapsed.
What?
You're still in this one.
Yeah, of course people are still living. What is the school?
Yeah.
What is the school?
Water
This
village.
is called
Kampong Ayer.
Sekolah Menengah.
Oh, it's another village.
Yeah.
Wow, people live here. But you don't see any people outside, actually. Everything is closed. You see clothing hanging there, you know, outside to dry. But I don't really see people walking or children playing or something. But I think it's also dangerous because if they fall in the water, there could be crocodiles. The fireman.
Fireman.
But no trucks, but boats.
Yeah.
That's funny. Is it true the king gives money to people on the street?
Yeah, during the our Hari Raya, you know, like Christmas, Chinese New Year. Yeah.
He gives money on people that come to see him.
Yeah. For just someone who like a poor man, like don't have.
Like homeless?
Yeah, homeless. That one. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, they get
Why
money.
does North Kings do that?
Yeah.
Dutch king and the Belgian king don't do that.
Yeah, of course no.
Yeah.
It's already dark.
Yeah.
Ali dropped us off. Such a great guy.
and a great guide also.
No, it's good.
We've seen him.
See you then. Yeah, so it's nice.
See you.
Alright, yeah,
I'll put his phone number in the description,
Yeah, you're
so
right.
you can send him a WhatsApp
him a
message,
WhatsApp, yeah.
and then join his tour.
Yeah.
It's just an hour through the mangroves. You see the monkeys?
Yeah. Now we just finished
Yeah.
one tour.
Yeah, we
Then
just
I-
finished it.
Yeah.
Everything.
Sunset with the
Sunset
palace.
thing, the palace.
Oh, you've seen it all? All right.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye-bye.
good night.
Okay, bye-bye.
Awesome. Oh, my water bottle. Shit. Okay, let's find some food. Okay. We have to wait a little bit longer, and then we can see the mosque covered in lights. Alright, I'm walking back to my car now. It has been very nice. The girl, Anna, from Belgium, so we could talk in Dutch. We have been talking for, I think, an hour or something, and just talking about the differences of our countries and stuff. So, well, I run out of money. I don't have any cash anymore on me, so I think it is gonna be McDonald's tonight, because I hope, fingers crossed, that there I can pay with card. I'll show you guys what they have here in this country at McDonald's. And then we're gonna sleep, because tomorrow we head back to Midi. Yeah. All right, here's my car. Oh, it's cold still. Nice. I'm sorry guys, no special things at McDonald's here. Unfortunately, same as in Malaysia, so just ordered myself a Big Mac, and I could pay with card, so that's perfect. All right, I'm gonna have dinner, and then tomorrow we're gonna drive back to Malaysia. So here we go. Good morning from Brunei. We are heading back to Miri to Malaysia, and I'm here at the gas station. Oh, thank you. And I paid with card. Yes. All right, I'm making a stop here at McDonald's to get a coffee, and then we're driving back 2.5 hours to Malaysia. Hopefully we're gonna see some nice things. I see some dark clouds though, so maybe it's gonna rain very heavily. This, by the way, is the gas station where you can pay with card. There are only 4 gas stations in the whole country that accept cards. I will pinpoint them all here down in the description for you to remember when you are here with a car, because it's really annoying if you have to pay cash everywhere, right? Well, never mind. They're not available. Oh, this is fun. A McFries crosswalk. All right. If you are curious to see what the road trip looks like from Miri, Malaysia to Brunei, then it's your lucky day, because I made a special video about it. I'll show you a little bit of Miri, and we hop in the car on our way to Brunei, which is a 2.5 hour drive. I'm showing you exactly what customs look like, and the border control in Brunei, of course. And in the same video, we're also visiting a beach where we are literally the only person, and we visit a special monument of Brunei. I put the video here in screen for you to watch next, so click on it and I'll see you there. Bye!